everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which are rolls with some fish and cucumbers and cheese. I hope you enjoy this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to do the crepe. 1 egg with some salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of milk. All of the ingredients, mix them all together. Now, in a hot pan, add some butter and let's prepare the crepes. Fry it from one side and then from the other. Take them out and let's prepare the filling. Cut some cucumbers this way into little straps. Then I'm using red salty fish. I'm cutting it into little pieces or little stripes this way. Now I'm using some butter cheese which I'm putting into a bag to pipe, like Philadelphia or any similar one. Now let's prepare and pile all the fillings. First the fish, then the cheese, and after the cucumber. And now we can roll it. Cut them into portions. And now let's plate them. And this is the result. You can also add some caviar on top. And this is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.